Guys, hi, good morning. This is my company. You can see there are many plants, and I planted this tree 3 months ago, and I gave water every day, and it has become very big. When I planted this tree, that time it was very small like this, and today it has become like this, and it has five flower right now. One, two, three, four, five. And yesterday I gave water. Let's come this side. There are many plant also like this red, white, and this is a very big plant in my company. Come, you know, guys. When I was village, I used to see this plant in my village, in garden, and also in my company. It is, and there is a aloe vera. I planted this aloe vera 5 months ago, and come this side. This is very big company. I work here for company. Right now, I am in company. At next, see you in next video.